Hi, I'm Jamie with the Digital Handyman for Seniors. Welcome to today's lesson, how to make a TikTok video the senior-friendly way. Now, TikTok isn't just for kids. It's a fun way to share memories, laughter, and creativity. And today, we'll go step by step so you feel comfortable exploring it. You can pause or rewind this video anytime, and remember, anyone can learn this. Let's start by downloading TikTok. Tap the App Store icon, that's the blue square with a white letter A, then tap Search and type TikTok. Pause here if you'd like to check your guide. Figure 1 will show you what the TikTok icon looks like. When you see the TikTok logo, tap Get. You might be asked for your Face ID or password. That's normal. When the app finishes downloading, tap Open. If you're new, TikTok will ask you to create an account. Pause here if you need a moment to look up your email or password. Take your time, no rush. For privacy, choose Continue with Apple or Continue with Email. That's the simplest and most secure way to sign up. Once you're in, you'll see short videos play automatically. This is your feed. Each video is from a different creator, and you can swipe up or down to see more. Don't worry, you control what you see by following only the accounts you enjoy. Now let's make your first video together, okay? Tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. That opens the camera. Choose something that makes you smile. Maybe this mug, a photo, or even your pet. Hold it up and let's record a 5-second video. Pause here if you want to look at your guide. Figure 2 will show you the record button. When you're done, lift your finger. You'll see a preview. If you want, you can trim or delete it, no worries. If you'd like, tap Sounds at the top to add a song, or tap Text to add a little caption. Try something fun, maybe Good Morning from Grandma, or Learning New Things Every Day. When you're ready, tap Next. If you want to share your video, tap Post. If you'd like to keep it private for now, tap Save as Draft. You're in control. Share only when you're comfortable. You just made your first TikTok video. That's a big accomplishment. Pause here and check your guide if you want to practice again. You're not behind, you're right on time. And remember, you've got this.